Well, this is all very exciting. Everybody wants the sushi.
That's because tonight is our special sushi night, idiot. A chance for me to cook something really special for people with appreciation of real exotic food.
It's raw fish, isn't it, Gordon? No cooking required?
Sounds like a recipe for disaster. Oh well, at least you can't burn it.
You won't understand. The only fish you eat is deep fried with chips. Now, out the way.
Oh! Oh dear. Oh, let's just put them on the plate, shall we? No one will notice.
I'll help you.
It's ruined now. Why don't you go and do some waiting while I work out what to do next?
How's our sushi night coming on? Got everything under control, Gordon?
No, we are up the creek without a paddle. Peter has just made me drop my sushi, and I've got no more sushi rice. I can't make any more.
Oh dear. Is our sushi night on the brink of disaster?
I need more sushi rice. I'm going to have to go and get some. You wouldn't know what to get. Mary, why don't you entertain the customers by reading your philosophy thesis?
Hang on, Celia. Isn't this the rice Gordon was using?
I think so.
Leave it to me.
I've told him before if he does this again. What kind of Asian supermarket doesn't sell sushi rice? This whole evening is a disaster. Where did you get that?
Disaster averted. Mary made these and saved the day again. Peter!
Yes?
Can you take these out to the customers and apologise for the delay?
Oh, that was a close shave.
Yes, well, it's good thing I always make a point of having some spare ingredients.